How to change YouTube username. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your YouTube username on your YouTube app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your YouTube app. And then once you're in your YouTube app, you have to tap on library in the bottom right corner here. Now here, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap on your channel. Then here tap on this pencil icon. Then here you will see your username under handle. So to change it, tap on this pencil icon. And then here you should remember that you can change your handle back within 14 days. This becomes your channel URL. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. So now to change your handle, tap on the handle, clear the old handle and write the new one. And to save, tap on save. So it shows here this handle is taken, so I'm gonna write any other handle. And the handle is changed. So this is how you can change your YouTube username. Thanks for watching.